Hey, this is Wally from Dean Team Golf Carts. We're going to go over some tire pressure. Very important, especially wintertime, cold. When you get the cold and hot temperatures, these tires are going to vary quite a bit. And you want to try to keep it, there's a rating right here of what it's supposed to be PSI wise. This particular tire says 22 PSI when it's cold. So 20 would be acceptable. You don't want to max it out. If you overinflate it, say you're up 25, 30, then you're going to wear unevenly. Plus your ride, if you're overinflated, your ride's going to be real bumpy. It's going to be bad. But the main issue is it's going to be the tires are going to wear a lot quicker, and your ride's going to be off. Your stability, it affects everything. Your steering, you won't drive straight if your tires are different. Different air in them. Something like this, 22 cold, I'd put them all at 20. Most of your standard tires on your golf carts are 20. Get into some of your turf tires and that, they run in the 30s. We put them at 30, and so the main thing is just look at your rating there cold and do a couple pounds under. You don't want it at 22 cold, because that's the max. We always put them just a little bit under. But that's the main thing for summer. Summer too, it changes. So winter and summer, always want to check them a couple times a year just to make sure you're not going to wear your tires out. That way they last a lot longer if you have the correct air pressure in them.